Poor tree. I like that one too. Well, you gotta pull the truck out. It's a nice pine. Not many roots in it. I like that tree. Poor tree. You lost your brother or sister. Off-road towing services. Moped makes it great. Four-wheeler makes it great. Traco makes it great. Ooh, like nothing. Ooh, still slipping. Front tires are. Wow. Wow, front tires are. Oh, he can't. Oh, now he's got it. Some traction. And it's coming along good. Some repairs, some cleanup. Over here, just some stuff from the building of the culvert. Backhoe. Attachment. Tractor. Moped. Trees. Trails in there somewhere. Poor tree went down. It's a big tree too. Was. Poor tree. I had some bark damage. I think Dad hit it before with the tractor, so that's okay.